Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsonoff, Certified Master Tech out of Reading, PA. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to change a manual window regulator. Now, a manual window regulator and a power window regulator are real similar. There's really not much difference, just electrically controlled by this switch or a crank. I've already taken the liberty of taking the screws and stuff out of this door panel just to save us some time. But once you get them all out, you just find a little corner. You can either pry it out with a screwdriver or you can get your fingers behind it. It's just little plastic clips that hold them in. Once you get your clips off, you're going to have to reach up on the inside here and get your electrical connectors off and also your door handle rods. Once you get those off, you want to set your door panel up out of the way, somewhere where you're not going to step on it too much. Your second step is going to be to take your speaker off. Let me get this out of here. And once you get your speaker out here, you want to disconnect it. Make sure you keep your wires up out of the way. And get your noise cover off here. This cover is used basically for keeping the wind noise and the road noise from coming through your door. You pull all your connectors through and you have to unfortunately take it off all the way around. Try not to get this black goo on your hands. It's a real pain to get off. But just get this up out of the way. And the easiest way I can tell you from here is your window track's going to be in the center. You're going to find basically the same bolts holding it in all the way around. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Get yourself a ratchet and a proper socket. And take these off here. A lot of times when these things go bad, it's basically the cables jam up, or the spool breaks on them. It's actually pretty common. A lot of times they'll break right where it goes on the window. Well, the other thing I wanted to mention too that I've already done ahead of time is make sure this window is taped up. Because once you unbolt this window regulator, it would fall if it's not taped up there. You're going to make sure that's taped up. You can either use duct tape or you can use electrical tape. Either one doesn't matter. Make sure you have at least 3 runs on your window there. The last thing you want to do is you find yourself a door window. On the inside here in this particular vehicle, you're going to see there's going to be 2 clips on the inside. There's one of them. There's a second one. And once you get that all unhooked, sometimes they're a bear to wrestle out. That's basically all there is to in replacing the window regulator, and just get yourself a new one, put it right back in the same way you took it out, and you're good to go.